Racing just is started. Travel Guard, go. Air Force, Friends for Never. And then moving up on the outside, Senior Cricket. Next online, Good Humor, Miss Manila. Then followed over by Victory Joe, Fair Heaven in the middle. Honor Roses down on the inside. Blue Shake caught in the Super Cup. While far beyond this, the early trailer then going along for the first turn. We have Go, Air Force, Violenka. Travel Guard is right behind in second, Friends for Never. And on the outside, Senior Create, Honor Rose in the middle. Next online now is entry number 8, and this one is Good Humor. Fair Heaven comes next, caught in the Blue Shake. Victory Joe, then next online is Far Beyond. Miss Manila, second last, while Super Cup is racing in 13th. And at the far turn, we have Senior Cricket now takes command. Go Air Force in second, Friends for Never. Travel Guard comes next. Good Humor, Honor Rose, and on the outside, Fair Heaven. Next online now is caught in the act. Far Beyond, Miss Manila, Blue Shake, Victory Joe, and Super Cup is still racing last as they swing for home. Go Air Force once again takes command by about 3 lengths. And in second comes Senior Cricket, Friends for Never is on the outside. Last 50 meters, we have Go Air Force. Second is Senior Cricket, Friends for Never. Then comes Chapel Guard, Good Humor.
Galing naman ito.